We are inside the gym. We're gonna show you a workout from Team Live Lean, the upcoming program. Live Lean Nation, what is up? Welcome back to another video. We have gym workouts, we also have home workouts for every single workout. You're gonna show the home workout.
Yeah, but it doesn't have to be for at home, because sometimes you're at the gym and stuff is being used, you can't access it, so it's always nice to have that other plan in your pocket, just in case you do need an equipment substitution or a way to still complete the workout when stuff is being used.
That's right, so let's go!
We always start you off with a warm-up. It typically uses no equipment, so it's the same for the home or the gym. There's a tutorial video for every single exercise, including warm-up moves, so if you don't know how to do it, just click on that little green icon thumbnail image and you can learn it in 30 seconds.
So as you see on the left, I'm performing the gym exercises from the gym program, and Jessica is performing the home exercises on the other side of the screen. So as you can see, I'm using a pull-up bar and Jessica's using a resistance band, but if you do train from home and you do have access to a pull-up bar, do it.
While the equipment is nice to have, it's not the essential thing, and it's not absolutely necessary for you to still get incredible results in your fitness. So we always provide options for anyone so that all people can live lean, regardless of whether or not you have gym access or even if you want to go to the gym or not. If you find you're not able to complete all the suggested reps, you can always pop into our Team Live Lean Accountability Members Only group and ask for some suggestions or modification substitutions.
So the way we structured this workout is it's a density style workout. This means you're going to be doing more work in less times as the circuits progress. So with the first circuit, you're going to complete 4 exercises in circuit format, and you're going to take 60-second rest between each exercise within that circuit. Then for the second round, you're going to take a 50-second rest. So the rest period goes down and the work keeps the same. So you're doing more work in less time. In the program, you'll see a line item that says tempo, and we tell you how quickly and how slowly to raise and lower the barbell or the dumbbell to get the maximum contraction in the muscle.
So if you're wondering about your total weekly volume, we have about 4 to 5 workouts per week, and each workout takes about 45 minutes to an hour, including the warm-up and the cool-down. So that's only 4 or 5 hours of your entire week that you're spending on your fitness, and the results are incredible. There's nothing more relaxing than knowing that you gave your best effort and you didn't waste a bunch of time trying to figure out what to do. You just follow the plan. It really simplifies everything and makes your time so much more efficient.
Okay, that was the workout, and if you enjoyed that style workout, those exercises, having the accessibility of working out from home, working in the gym, you're gonna love our Team Live Lean programs that we come out with monthly. Nutrition, meal plans, workouts, exercise demo videos, we got it all.
We have you covered for not just 1 month, but every single month for the rest of your life, so you can just live lean and never have to ever be out of shape ever again. Just stay at your optimal fitness level and keep getting better all the time.
This is our optimal plan to live lean, like, because everything is done for you. You just have to put in the work. So follow along, use it on your phone, do it at home, do it wherever, and you will be living lean with us 365. I think
enjoy your fitness, enjoy your food, enjoy your damn that's good body.
Let's go! Oh yeah, link down below. Today's question of the day: do you currently work out at the gym or at home? Comment down below with your answer. Now I want you to go watch this video right over here for an insider look at what is inside of Team Live Lean, what you get when you become a member. Click over here.